Conversation, Supreme Industries. This is a plastic company. They've reported the Q1 numbers. Revenues and margins have declined sequentially, though on a year-on-year basis, we have seen the revenues go up by 7.5%, and the company has guided for a 15% volume growth in FY24. MP Taparia, the Managing Director of Supreme Industries, is with us on the show now. Mr. Taparia, afternoon. This is Reema here. First, if you could explain what happened on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Why is it that the revenues, margins have all come down? Is it that, we've seen some pressure in the current quarter?
No, in the current quarter, our margins compared to the previous year equal quarter has gone up actually 13.5%. Yes. And our volume has gone up by 36%. Value has gone up less because of the fall in raw material price compared to last year, April to June.
Oh, so you said volume growth in Q1 is 36%.
Our volume growth is 36%.
Okay, but sir, yet for the full year, you're guiding only for a 15% volume growth.
But now because the business conditions are favorable, there is demand from housing, agriculture, infrastructure, all are good. Our new systems are also working very effectively. We anticipate volume growth of 20% plus this year.
Okay. Mr. Taparia, I wanted to understand how the pricing scenario is currently. In Q1, we did see crude prices falling, and that would have impacted PVC prices as well. How is it right now, and would that have an impact on inventory as well in the coming quarter?
Now we have seen the bottom is behind us. The prices have reached their bottom in the last quarter, in the first quarter. In the coming 3 quarters, we believe the prices may go slightly up only. There is no more possibility as on today of price going further down. Actually, the price has gone up between $50 to $100 item to item in last 1 month.
Okay. So in percentage terms, what would be the increase in prices approximately?
We are accordingly increasing price. So we believe now this year our operating profit margin will be 14% plus.
Okay, 14% plus is what would your margins be, and that's in line with what you've seen in Q1 as well. So that's on the margin front. You've actually been expanding as well, and that is something that's happening across your sector as a whole. The other players are doing as well. You're saying expansion of capacities and enlarging the product basket is underway, and it would increase your installed capacities. That's what your press release says. Can you give us a sense of what the Capex target is for FY24? What is the revenue potential? Any more projects that will come on stream in this year itself?
We have planned capital investment of around 750 crore rupees this year, principally on piping system where we are increasing capacity from 600,000 ton per annum to 750,000 ton per annum. And accordingly, we are planning, as I told you, that we expect our business volume to grow by 20%. And in plastic piping, we expect to grow between 23 to 25%.
Okay. Mr. Taparia, just a follow-up. You said the average or the overall margins will be 14.5%. Specifically for pipes business, what is the kind of margin picture that you're looking at?
Now, pipe business has to grow. Pipe business, we may be earning 14%. Then only we can have an operating margin. So pipe is our main big business.
No, we get that point. And what is the cash in your books right now, Mr. Taparia?
We had around 900 crore rupees cash surplus, liquid money in our account, 938 crore to be precise, on 1st July.
Oh. Okay, and of that you planned a 750 crore Capex, which you will be funding.
All Capex we planned with our own funds.
Yes.
We have no plan to take any debt.
Okay. Mr. Taparia, I know there is not much exposure that you have to Agri compared to the housing segment, but just give us a sense of how the Agri demand has been, because there was a lot of chatter around weakness in the rural segment. What's your take?
Sorry, say it again.
What is the outlook on the Agri demand? How is it currently?
What is your?
Agricultural demand.
This is the lean period. Agri demand was very good in the month of April and May. Now this is the rainy season. July, September, the agri demand remains very poor, but as the rains are quite bountiful, we anticipate that come October onward, the demand from agri segment will be also quite good.
Mr. Taparia, we'll leave the conversation here for now. Thank you very much for joining in. Exide's numbers are up for you on your screen. The company's reported a 5.6% top-line growth, while profits have gone up by 10.7%. Just awaiting the margin performance. We'll get into a break. On the other side, we'll connect with Rakesh Nayyar from Supreme Petrochem on the other side.